For those of you engaged in getting students ready for the real world, I got a message that I brought back like directly from the real world. And here it is. Any learning, any work that you deem vital, that you deem essential for students to know and be able to do, I am urging you to put systems in place that ensure they get it done, even when they don't want to. Because listen, I just came from the real world and they're not giving out zeros. Can I keep it real with you? Some mornings I wake up, I pick up my phone, and I wish, some days I just want somebody to give me a zero, but no one does. Every once in a while, something will fall through the cracks and I'll forget to send it, or I'll forget to follow through, or write the article, and you know what happens? I don't get a zero. I get a follow-up call, or an email, or a reschedule. So to that end, I'm gonna share a piece of advice that Dr. Douglas Reeves shared with me and other colleagues several years ago. The consequence for not doing the work is doing the work.